Here we are today in Fairfield, Vermont. Do you need a mini excavator? You probably have a need and a want for one. This one's got the Bridget Stratton. It's got the fan on it. 13 horse. Electric start. This little thing is one hell of a rugged little thing. Let me tell you, if you're looking for one, this thing right here is something else. It's got the tires instead of the tracks. This thing digs like there's no tomorrow. Look at this, folks. It would have took me hours to dig this out, to go get a ladder. Here, it's up to my waist. Maybe over my waist. I couldn't walk out here and get it, that's for sure. Look at that. Folks, this is some high snow to come dig out. Unfortunately, I hit the door with my little rig because I'm still not used to it too much. Broke the door off, so I gotta fix that. But look at the snow. Look how deep it is. That's a 55-gallon barrel. It's over that on this side where I dug it all out. There's big snow drift. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Big piles of snow. That would have took me hours to try to shovel this out by hand. So, if the question is, do you need one of them for your home? Is yes. Do you want one? You're freaking right you want one. Mine has a snowblower attachment that goes on the front. That thing is awesome. But this snow was so packed that I decided not to even hook it up because I didn't think it would do it. This is some packed snow. This snow here is packed. You could make a snowball like nothing. Look at that thing. And I just dug right through it. You can see where I just turned and dumped all the way down through. There you go, folks. Mini excavator. Do you need one? The answer is absolutely yes. Do you have a use for it? Yeah, absolutely yes. Do you have a need, a want, and a desire? 100% yes. There it is. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.